after maybe 5 or 6 years of doing, magazine work covering Silicon Valley, I realized that I was getting myself into a hole or a niche that is not why I wanted to be a photographer. I wanted to be a photographer to tell stories. So that's when I made the pivot and spent 3 years going back and forth to Northern Ireland to develop on my own money, certainly for the first 2 years, to develop a body of work. So for me, this should always come first, right? Is what is the story, or the theme? What is it that we want to do? Draw on sources of inspiration, right? Whatever they may be. It could be from reading the newspapers to reading poetry, or listening to music, or having conversations with friends. But draw on sources of inspiration. Tap into your intuition. Follow your own path. I talk about like this organic journey. I'm in a cafe in Derry in Northern Ireland. I meet a Turkish Kurdish woman. She tells me about the Kurds. As a dumb American, I didn't know. I'd never really heard about the Kurds. And then when I heard they were the largest ethnic group in the world without a nation of their own, boom, I was hooked. That is why my mantra is keep an open heart and an open mind,
Mm.
because you never know what conversation you're going to have, what you're going to see, what question you ask that elicits an answer that opens up your mind to something completely new. So anyway, it's another thing about stories and about narrative is that you can't do everything. So you need to focus, 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 focus. Don't be afraid to focus. A great quote is the specific is universal. So again, in all of these, I'm following my mind, right? The journalist. I'm following my heart and my soul, the curious soul, the heart that cares about others, and enough that I'm willing to put myself out there to, even invest my own money and my own time. I missed half of my children's lives over the last 25 years. So you're talking about, to do this work, a very serious and deep commitment. I always talk about when you create a narrative, whether it's a small one or a massive one, you're basically creating a mosaic, right? But you don't actually know when you begin what the pieces of of the mosaic are. You sort of, it's like creating a puzzle from scratch. It's like as you go, you make the puzzle pieces, and then hopefully in the end they all fit together.
When you pitch a story, say to National Geographic, do you first actually check out the possibilities, how you are going to organize this, what people you could get in contact with? Or do you first pitch a story and then actually do the research and all the work?
Okay, so at this stage, because it's changed a lot in how you pitch in general, but particularly in National Geographic, 25, 30 years ago when I started working with them, we would write 4-page proposals. Now they want like 1 page, 2 max. And what they want is, especially if they don't know you and you've never worked with them, and I hate to say this, your name is not known in the profession. All right, I'm sorry, but that's particularly with the Geographic, that's how it works. You need to, basically, they want to know why you. You might have an amazing idea, but why you? And why now?